propane grill, or as we in Canada call it, just barbecue. I have a bit of a love-hate relationship with that machine. Not because there's anything to hate about it, but because I just didn't grow up cooking on it. And when I did a barbecue series a couple years ago on this show, I got a bit of hate. But I did kind of tell everybody I was learning to use the propane barbecue a bit better. And there were some recipes that turned out fantastic and some pieces of meat that just were the juiciest I've ever had. So yay, practice makes perfect. The more you do it, the more you learn, the better it gets. However, even though I have a love-hate relationship with this machine, the grill or the barbecue, there are things that I just absolutely love and must have. And in the summer, grilled vegetables is one of them. So today, I just want to show you a very simple, quick way to get those vegetables warm, grilled, delicious, add flavor, and make it a salad. I'm using a variety of different vegetables for this today. My go-to vegetables for the grill that I think just stand up in that cooking process are peppers, onions, asparagus, and zucchini. I've got 2 different types of onions there, and I'm also going to season them with 2 different dry seasonings, a lemon pepper and a garlic Parmesan. I'm going to give them a nice little swirl of olive oil as well, and I'm using a rosemary olive oil, something that has a little bit of infused flavor in it. Don't be shy, be liberal with that oil and get them on a hot grill. Now, your vegetables are not going to cook at the same time, so you're going to have to pull off your zucchini and your asparagus first, because mushy vegetables are not my friend. We want to keep these a little bit crisp, but nice and cooked, and that char flavor on them while we do the grilling. Once they're done, let them cool a little bit, but not all the way, because we want a little bit of a warm vegetable salad here. So get those on a cutting board. Do yourself a favor and go easy on your fingers. Just hold on to them as best as you can, because they are going to be a little bit slippery, especially the onions, and just give them a nice rough chop. Somewhat the same size, but don't worry about it too much. Especially the onions, be really careful, because I find they do get slippery coming off of that grill. Now, you can see the oils and the seasoning have really already come together, so you do not need a dressing for this. What you do need is cheese, because feta cheese is my favorite. I am gonna put that in my salad. I shouldn't say feta cheese is my favorite. I love all cheese and I don't discriminate. And if you need some carbohydrates and you just think all vegetables is no-go, add some of your favorite noodle into that. It goes great both ways. Making grilled vegetable like this are great just to have on the side of anything, but putting it together with a salad and making it an actual scoopable side dish, I think just presentation-wise, flavor-wise, it all really kind of comes together as one, as opposed to just having a bite of a zucchini or an onion or something like that. I hope you enjoyed this quick little recipe. I am so excited that the weather is beautiful and we are cooking outside, even though I'm in my kitchen right now because sometimes it's a little too windy and noisy to film outdoors, but more to come on the Silly Kitchen. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.